Hello everybody. Warm greetings on behalf of Sri Chaitanya School. Welcome back to the Smart Living program, the most prestigious and unique initiative from Sri Chaitanya School with the main objective of installing life skills in students. Here, let me tell what Smart Living program stands for. S stands for self-discipline. M stands for moral responsibility. A stands for awareness of health. R stands for responsibility towards society. T stands for technological advancement. We aim at our students develop all these life skills to make them strong and better citizens for themselves and for the country. This time, we are going to concentrate on the patriotic spirit which comes under social responsibility. Born to a mother, we recite the word mother millions of times in our lives. Born in our country, how many times do we remember the name of our motherland in our lives? The spirit of patriotism, love for the country where we are born, the passion to serve our land. These are the prerequisites of a citizen to achieve his goals. What is the relation between patriotism and personal growth? One great poet in our country said, "Country doesn't mean soil, country means its people." Development of the country means the development of people in it. So, if you grow in your life, it means that you are contributing your own to develop your country. What does this mean? If you are a real patriot, you improve the condition of your motherland by growing yourself. When we think in a broader spectrum, those who know well about their country, its greatness, the leaders who sacrifice their lives for the country, its culture, and its progress can offer themselves to serve the nation. It is the responsibility of every Indian to know about India and to decide one's role in doing something for the nation. The noble effort of this program is to bring that conscience in every student, knowledge of the motherland and the decision to make something for the motherland. India is my country and I am proud to be an Indian. It is the seventh largest in the world and the second most populous country in the world. It is also known as India, Hindustan and Aryavarta. It is a peninsula which is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India's national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. India's national bird is peacock. National flower is lotus. National fruit is mango. The national emblem is the Sarnath four lions. These national symbols are common to all the Indians. The Indian flag has three colors. Kesariya means the correctness, valor, and sacrifice, which is on the top. The white means peace and truth, which is in the middle, and the green means fertility, which is at bottom. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes in equal parts. India's national anthem is Janagana Mana, written by Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, and our national song is Vande Matram, and it is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Our national sport is hockey. Dhyanchand is a noted player who won many medals for our country, including in Olympics. India is a country where people speak different languages and people of different caste, religion, sect, and culture live together. For this reason, this common statement of unity in diversity is famous in India. It is also called the land of spirituality, philosophy, science, and technology. Since ancient times, people of different religions such as Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, and Jews live together. This country is famous for its agriculture, which has been its basis since ancient times. India is now self sufficient in grains and fruits. This is a famous tourist paradise because it attracts people from all over the world. These are the means of revenue for us. There are many monuments, tombs, churches, historic buildings, temples, museums, delightful scenes, wildlife sanctuaries, architectural places, etc. in our country. This is the place where the Taj Mahal, Fitapur Sikri, Golden Temple, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Ooty, Kashmir, Khajuraho, Ajanta and Ellora caves are attracting thousands of foreign tourists every year. This is a land of great rivers, mountains, valleys, lakes, and oceans. This is a country with 28 states and 8 union territories. It is a major agriculture country which is famous for producing crops like sugarcane, cotton, jute, rice, wheat, pulses, etc. This is a country where great leaders like Shivaji, Gandhiji, Nehru, Dr. Ambedkar, and so on. Great scientists like Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose, Dr. Homi J. Baba, Dr. C.V. Raman, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam were born. And great social reforms like Kandukuri Vireshilingam, Raja Rammohan Rai, Jyotiba Phule, Narayanaga, etc. were born. This is a country where diversity exists with peace and unity. A few more Indian leaders are. Hope we are successful in making you know about the greatness of our country. In the days to come, let us try to cover more and more interesting things about India. Jai Hind.